Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your accounts on Mobills. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Mobills application and log into your account, then you will be taken into your dashboard, from which you can look for settings by clicking on More at the bottom right corner. Now, if you click on the gear icon, you will see various different options. However, you will not find any setting to delete your account. So in order to delete your account, you will need to contact the customer support team. Open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Mobills and start your search. Once you find the Mobills application, tap on it, and then you will see the App Support drop-down menu. Tap on this button and then tap on the email address, and you will be able to choose your email app to send a support email to the Mobills team. Now, within the subject section, you can type in delete my account, and underneath within the main body, just type in that you don't wish to use your account anymore and you want to delete your account. You can then click on the send button at the top section, and once your email has been sent, you will receive a response from the support team within a few days. Within this email, you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to delete your account right away. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to delete your account on the Mobills app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.